Hey guys, Julie here, and today I wanted to share with you 3 easy, simple, quick recipes for every college student to master. I was in college once. Actually, it wasn't that long ago, and I lived in res, and we had a very horrible kitchenette, and I had a tiny, tiny fridge, but I still wanted to eat good. So I needed recipes that I could either make in a microwave or on a hot plate that didn't have lots and lots of ingredients because I had nowhere to store them. That is how I developed these 3 recipes. So let's just jump into the first one. I'm a huge fan of buffalo chicken. I love that combination of barbecue sauce and red onion and chicken. So here's what I've done. Buy yourself a pre-roasted chicken. These are great. You can find them at any grocery store. And I like storing them for sandwiches and having them to reheat, to have with mashed potatoes, whatever you like. There's no way you're roasting a chicken in res. You're just not. So buy that one already pre-done. I like to tear up the chicken pieces and just set them aside. You'll notice I've already shredded some cheese. I've got some red bell pepper. I've got some red onion and some green onion. And now you just want to assemble. So I've got a whole wheat tortilla and I'm gonna spread a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Place my chicken on top. Get some of those peppers and onions all over there, and then top with cheese. Fold it on over, and this of course can go in the microwave if you so choose. Get that cheese all melted, or what I like to do, and if you have the luxury of a hot plate, get it in a nice hot pan with a little bit of oil, get both those sides nice and crispy, and then cut it and enjoy. I like having it with a little bit of sour cream. And this is a great recipe to do with leftovers. You can remake it several times. You've got lots of tortillas there. You make sure you have no waste, which was my biggest pet peeve in university. I would make these recipes and I'd be left with half a can of chickpeas or half a poblano pepper that I just didn't know how to use the rest of. So I wanna make sure that doesn't happen to you. For the second recipe, this is such a good snack / also can serve as a meal. These are pesto pizzas. Say that 5 times fast. Really, really simply, I have got some of these mini whole wheat pitas and I'm just gonna spread a little bit of jarred pesto on top. This jarred pesto lasts forever. It's so great on lots of different pastas. So you're gonna wanna make sure you have that one in your fridge. Then I've got some chopped up red onion. Of course, I'm a huge fan of red onion. We used it on the first recipe, we used it on this one. You're never gonna have red onion that goes bad, trust me. The next thing I'm using is jarred sweet red bell pepper, and I've got little slices of that. I love this ingredient. It lasts for a really long time in your fridge, and it tastes amazing. You can use it on lots of different dishes, super versatile, and awesome on these little pizzas. And lastly, I have these little adorable Bocconcini balls. Any mozzarella would do. I just thought these were cute on the pitas and they don't really move around, which I really like. But if you just wanted to add grated cheese, that's on you, boo. And then these just go in the oven. I put them under broil. My res didn't actually have an oven. I had to walk to a different res. So in my case, I would have put them in the microwave, but hey, if you got a broiler, oh, you are living the life. Enjoy. And this last recipe is a little sweet treat for you. Freshman 15 is an honor. You should all feel proud to be in university, to have the privilege of higher knowledge, and that comes with 15 extra pounds of weight. I gained like 25, but that's neither here nor there. This recipe is edible cookie dough for 1. Really, really simply, in your mug, you're gonna add your flour. First and foremost, I like to pasteurize the flour. I also eat regular cookie dough. I'm not really scared of it, but pasteurizing your flour ensures that there's no yucky potential for salmonella. It's kind of an easy step. It takes 45 seconds in the microwave. You should probably just do it. Then we're gonna add in our sugar. I've also got some brown sugar. Give that a bit of a mix. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of softened butter. I use salted butter because that's all I bought in university. That's all I still buy. I love salted butter. I'm sorry if it's weird. That's all I buy. Get that mixed with your vanilla, and then I've got chocolate chips. Now you'll notice I added my chocolate chips while my flour was still hot and my chocolate chips melted. And I don't know how I feel about that. I think I might have liked it better if I had let the mixture cool and then add the chocolate chips, but I was like so eager and then I was really hungry. So that's about me. How about you? Well, you guys, there you go. You've got 3 epic recipes that you can make with a microwave, with a hot plate if you got one. Hey, if you got a stove, you are living life. You guys enjoy university, enjoy college, wherever you're at. And I hope you enjoyed these recipes and you get a chance to make them. Thanks so much for watching.